Today we are at Ocean Cay. Although I've been to this island several times before, I'm excited for my first experience as part of the MSC Yacht Club. But I'm extremely disappointed that while editing this video, I discovered that I lost just about all of the video that I recorded here. So I'm unable to show you how we were escorted from the ship to a waiting shuttle that whisked us away to the private yacht club beach section. It was beautiful. There were two beachfronts, one which was newly added. There is a restaurant, and I found out that the bar side of the restaurant is also newly added. On the way up, I asked our driver which side was the best side, and he said the new side. Apparently, the older side is very rocky, while the new side is pleasant with soft sand. So after touring the area, that's the side that I headed to. Now, I had heard to go to the restaurant early if you want to get a seat for lunch, but I think that's before the restaurant was expanded. I had no problems at all.
So I came up here early, and I think I got here early enough. I was able to pick my table. Hopefully I picked a good one. And right now there's only just a few people up here. So, I was able to get a good spot, get the spot that I wanted. And hey, we will see. So next we have 30 minutes before it is time for lunch. So we're going to do some things to keep us busy until then.
I am so brokenhearted that this is all of the footage that I could find.
Alright y'all, last day. We gotta make the most of this experience. So the island experience was great. I didn't go around the rest of the island. I've been there before, but I did want to see some of the new things that they've built up since, the last time I visited. But man, time is so short, especially on a 3-day cruise. So I ended up after lunch going back to the lounger and taking a nap. And I wanted to be back on the ship so that I could be at the spa by 2 p.m. But now it is 2:44 p.m. So I'm about to hit the spa for a little bit, and we'll see what happens after then. But this is a great experience. All right, so I was about to walk out, but then I thought about my girl Annalisa. She's been wanting me to, use her for anything. So I thought I'd call Annalisa, my butler, to see if she can escort me to the spa. So I called, and they're supposed to be sending her to my room. So I'm about to just lay down here until she calls. All right, back from the spa, and the spa was nice. Now, I did do the spa last year, so I knew, what the spa was like and that it was going to be a great experience, and it did not disappoint. Very, very relaxing. Now, one thing I will say, this is the first time, and it's not like a bad mark against MSC, Seashore, or anything, but this was the first time that I went and there were a lot of people in there. Now, I came right after going on the island, and I came back about 2:45 or something, and I went. It was a few people in there, but not that many. And then later, I guess, as we got time for the last call on board, more and more people showed up, which is not a problem, but it's more people are chatting. So it was, became a little bit noisy, for a spa. So, but I still enjoyed the experience. So now I am coming back up to my room. I'm going to change, and I'm going to get my Hola tacos.
Hey, are you enjoying this content so far? If you are, I hope that you will like this video and subscribe to the channel so that I'll know to create more content like this.
Bridge of size. I am here at Hola Tacos and getting started. I got my chips and guacamole. And of course my mezcal margarita. And I got a tostada, beef tostada, and a tamale. And I got a chicken enchilada. Now I got the all-you-can-eat for $24.99. So I got, and I asked for smaller servings because normally this comes in two. The tostada is just, tostada, and I'm not sure if the tamale comes in more than one, but I asked for just smaller portions. So, yes, delicious. Okay, one last one. This is chili con carne. taco, and yo, I have been sitting here for about 20 minutes trying to get some room to squeeze something else in. So I remember this being so good. So yeah, this is it. I'll probably only do a couple of bites of this, and this is it.
I'd been hearing a few times not to miss the Top Sail Lounge tonight because there was going to be a talent show. So I was ready for some karaoke style light entertainment. Little did I know that this night would be so much more.
And how it rolls down your face. We can dream, I dream with you. It's where I wanna be. You makes me know.
Then they took it up a notch.
Let us now welcome the resident waiters of MSC Seashore Yacht Team.
Say that this caught me by total surprise, and this was more than I expected from the MSC Yacht Club. I was expecting any entertainment to be light and more subdued, nothing high energy like this. Now, unless I missed it, I've never seen this in other vlogs, nor have I heard about this side of the Yacht Club. So I'm not certain whether this happens all the time, or if I was just extremely lucky. Now, have you said the Yacht Club, and is this the normal entertainment? And does this normally happen? Let us know in the comments.
Freeze! Everybody clap your hands. Everybody clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap it out. We gotta do the basic step. To the
felt like they must have been looking forward to this. It felt like they were having even more fun than we were. And that was so great to see and to be a part of.
Okay, y'all, I am back. MSC Yacht Club. Who knew? No, I did not know that they were that lively. That was great. That was an awesome time with the crew and with the other cruisers. That we had a really great time. That was nothing that I was expecting at all. And my butler, hopefully I will see her tomorrow because I need to get on her because who knew she could sing? I should have asked her to sing me to sleep every night had I known. That's what I would have been asking for. But also, man, let me show you what my butler put in my room. Let me turn this camera around. Lord, look at this. My butler left me some kind bars, 3 kind bars. She left me an entire box of gluten-free organic Rice Krispie crackers because she found out that I'm on the fence with the whole gluten-free thing that I'm getting over, but I told her about it. And look at this. I don't even know what this is. Vita free? What is this? Something apricot? Yeah, I don't even know what this is. It says Senza gluten. So I'm taking it that's gluten-free. I see some apricots up here. So it's something apricot. So, I'm going to take this home and I'm going to, try it. I may have to do some Google Translate or something like that. But yeah, this is from my butler on the MSC Yacht Club. And a little gift here. Let's open this up and see what this is. And here's what it is. It's from their Vinci shop, and it is chocolates. Look at that. MSC Yacht Club, y'all. Best Butler, Annalisa. Good morning. It is Debarkation Day, so I got up to pack. And I'm about to head to the restaurant. The restaurant is open at 6 a.m. It is 6:07. So, I'm always one to get up and get off the ship early to avoid the crowd and the hustle and bustle. So I'm going to try to do that again today, even though, I'm sure they have a separate debarkation process for us. But so we'll see what that is like for the yacht club. But now, headed to breakfast.
The MSC Yacht Club was an even better experience than I expected. From the butler service and escorts to the exceptional meals, the low crowds, and spacious, comfortable seating areas, and the pool deck, all with a smaller price tag than Explora Journeys. Now, would I recommend one over the other? Well, let's talk about that in detail the next time. Are you ready for your first or your next cruise and need assistance? Scan the QR code and let's work together to plan your customized cruise experience.